Hey guys, my name is Asa with Forui Machinery, and on today's video, I'm gonna show you our spiral washers that we are waiting for delivery. The material used for the spiral blades is magnet steel with a thickness of up to 4 cm. That's why it has a long service life. Its capacity can reach up to 300 tons per hour. Forui spiral washers come standard with adjustable wheels at the overflow openings that permit a change in water depth and can in turn affect the quality of the washed products. These two spiral washers are specially customized equipment for Taiwanese customers. They are mainly used to clean soil. The spiral washer is suitable for the washing process before the beneficiation of iron ore, manganese ore, barite, and others with high mud content. They are mainly used for mixing, washing, separating, and desliming of minerals. In addition, it's also suitable for the cleaning of engineering stones, such as buildings and power stations. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My name is Asa. See you next time.